How to detail the photo by sections. Detailing the photo by sections makes it perfect, making it look much more professional. It also helps, for example, if you have already edited the whole photo and it looks great, but only the face looks dark. Then, by swiping up, you can choose to change the lighting, the contrast, or the saturation. And by sliding to the right, you increase, and to the left, you decrease.